The Electric Vibe project is an entrance canopy that welcomes visitors at their first and longest queue at the main Expo gate. What makes it unique is a holographic display suspended from the ceiling. It is achieved by simple models built from plastic and mirror sheets that works this way. There are 4 images displayed simultaneously from an LED screen, and they bounce through the edges of plastic module and meet in the middle, creating a 3D hologram. In my project, I replaced the LED screen by mirror and mounted 4 digital projectors on the edges of the module. In this way, the projected image bounces from the middle and comes back to the center of the module, creating a 3D image. By this solution, we can definitely decrease the cost, but also achieve the highest resolution of the display, considering how big is the scale of the project. To suspend the holographic display, I had to find a solution for the structure that allows the continuous circulation below the ceiling. I wanted to imitate the sky and create a terrestrial-like or fantasy-like experience. That was achieved by designing the canopy in form of trusses that are mounted into the ground by 30-degree angle. The foundation works like a lever that holds the structure without any need for a support like columns or walls. What's unique about the project is that the elements of the ceilings are part of a big holographic display device. In a way, the building itself is a digital device. It incorporates its unique design technique to display 3D images. It is basically like being inside the computer, behind the screen. Usually the screen separates the user from a real-time sensual experience. Here, the digital display happens just above the visitor's head. It allows engaging the perception of depth and perspective. The project tells a story about the opportunity to cross the limitation of the material constraints. The future is digital, therefore we can expect a faster acceleration of sharing information through virtual space. Future opportunities lay in inventing channels to transfer images, words and ideas in a digital language. Because the essence of IT is based on an electric beat, the Electric Vibe project invites to contemplate the opportunities of the future through interaction with digital art. It is an example of how an architecture of a physical built environment can incorporate a non-material elements into the structure. Instead of using physical resources, we can use light to manipulate the space, create borders, and bring dynamics. It refers especially to temporary pavilions that are meant to deliver a certain message. If architecture becomes more digital and virtual, it saves resources and minimizes recyclability needs. The project is innovative in a way the structure of the suspended ceiling becomes a holographic display device. Another architectural challenge, releasing the holographic performance area from any obstacles, like for example columns or walls. The suspended ceiling is a continuous surface that imitates the sky and has no connection with the ground. That aim was achieved by an innovative support idea. The steel truss structure is tapped deeply into the ground in 30-degree angle orientation against the grade level. It is supported by the load of the ground below and above the structure. That settlement shifts the load vector below the ground. In consequence, we obtain a column-free yet shaded circulation space. The visitors are welcomed to Expo site by a futuristic experience that excites them to explore more.